everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about salt hydrolysis of weak base plus strong acid and weak acids plus weak bases. Now before my previous class I am going to talk about what is salt hydrolysis, what is the salt hydrolysis of weak acid plus strong base and strong base plus strong base. Now this is the very important concept in ionic equilibrium, and so many competitive exams this concept is very useful. Now my name is Uma Shankar. Start this section, see this board. Friends, this video is the I am going to talk about is the weak base plus strong acid. This gives salt. Now what is the examples of the weak base? Now example of weak base is NH4OH plus strong acid is HCl gives salt. Salt is the NH4Cl. This is the salt. NH4Cl is a salt. This NH4Cl is react with water. What happened there, friends? NH4 plus Cl minus plus H plus OH minus ions are present in there. Friends, one more important point, H plus is react with Cl. Now what happened there? This is the strong acid is present in there. It cannot source in hydrolysis because of this is the strong acid. Already you know that this point. Now in this reaction I am going to discuss about NH4 plus and OH minus. Because of these are the strong gases, it cannot source hydrolysis. Now this is the NH4 plus OH minus gives NH4 OH is present in there. This is the weak base. Now this weak base, this direction is the this is 90, this direction is the this is only 5% and this is the 95%. Now these NH4 plus ions is source hydrolysis. What is salt hydrolysis, friends? Cation or anion or both of a salt are reacted with water to produce a acidic or basic solution, that is called a salt hydrolysis. In this NH4 plus is reacted with OH minus to gives this weak base is present in there. This direction is the this is satisfied of the this direction because of this NH4 plus OH is gives NH4 OH. This is the 95% is present in this direction of this source hydrolysis. This is the basic concept of the salt hydrolysis. Already salt hydrolysis explained in my previous class briefly. This is the one more salt hydrolysis of weak base plus strong acids. These H plus and Cl minus cannot source hydrolysis. This is clear, friends. Now what is the equation, friends? What is the equation of hydrolysis? What is the equation of hydrolysis in this weak base plus strong acid? NH4 plus is react with water to form NH4OH plus H plus ions. This is the present in there. This equation of salt hydrolysis of this reaction is weak acid plus strong base is the this is the NH4 plus is reacted with OH minus to gives NH4OH. This Cl minus plus HCl is cannot no hydrolysis takes place. Now this NH4 plus H2O. Now what happened there, friends? NH4OH is present in there and H plus ions is remains H plus ions is present in there. Whenever H plus ions is present in there, the solution is called as acidic solution. This is very important point, friends. Solution is called as acidic solution. Definitely pH value of this acidic solution is less than 7. This is the less than 7. Definitely pH value of this acidic solution is less than 7, and this is the acidic solution. Now what happened, friends? Weak base and strong acid is the acidic solution. What, friends? Acidic solution. Okay, friends, this is clear, friends. Acidic solution because of this is the H plus ions is present in there. Now this NH4 plus is gives NH4 plus is reacted with water to produce NH4OH plus H plus. H plus ions is present in this solution. This solution is called as acidic solution and pH value is definitely less than 7. This is clear, friends. Now what is the important formulas are present in the weak base plus strong acid? This is clear, friends. This is arise. This is arise, friends. Friends, the equation of hydrolysis of this weak base and strong acid is the NaH4 plus H2O gives NH4OH plus H plus. This is the equation. Now we have to find out the KH. KH is the hydrolysis constant. KH is the hydrolysis constant and equilibrium constant of this reaction. What happened there? Concentration of products NH4OH into concentration of H plus by concentration of NH4 plus. Okay, friends, this is the KH. Now one more important point. The point is this is the NH4OH. This is the weak component is present in there. This is weak base. Now Kb of this reaction is the NH4OH. Now NH4OH is friends, what is, friends? NH4OH is a weak component. It is dissociated to the NH4 plus OH minus. What is Kb? Kb is the weak component ionization constant of base. This is Kb. Now Kb is the concentration of NH4 plus into concentration of OH minus by this is concentration of NH4. This is concentration of NH4OH. Okay, friends, this is the Kb and KH. Now KH into Kb, what happened, friends? KH into Kb, what happened there? This NH4 plus and this NH4 plus is cancelled. This NH4OH and this NH4OH cancelled. Now what happened there? Concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. Now KH into Kb is equal to what happened, friends? KW. This is the one of the important formula is present in there. Now KH is the ionization. KH is the hydrolysis constant of this reaction. Now KH is equal to KW by Kb is present in there. Okay, friends, this is the one more important point. And now we have to calculate the H plus ion concentration of this reaction. Now H plus ion concentration of this reaction, what happened, friends? This is the NH4 plus H2O gives NH4OH plus H plus. Now what happened, friends? Initially this concentration is I am represented to the C. Okay, friends, this is the present in the NH4Cl. This NH4Cl is a strong electrolyte. It is dissociated is 100%. Now this is the NH4 plus is the concentration is C. This is 0 and 0 0 initially. Now at equilibrium, what happened, friends? At equilibrium this NH4 plus ion concentration is C minus CH is present in there. Now what is H, friends? H is the degree of hydrolysis. H is the degree of hydrolysis. Already you know that in my previous class I am going to discuss about degree of hydrolysis. Now this is C moles is present in there. What is the equilibrium at this NH4 plus is the C minus CH and CH and NH4OH is the this is CH and this is CH moles is present in there. Okay, friends, this is the C minus CH. H is the, friends, H is the degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis. C minus CH moles is dissociated. This is the CH and CH is present in there. Now we have to calculate the H plus ion concentration, friends. Now we have to calculate the H plus ion concentration. Now one more point is the now this reaction, what happened there? KH is the equilibrium constant or hydrolysis constant. KH is equal to what happened, friends? Concentration of NH4OH into H plus. Now concentration of this term is CH into CH by C minus CH. Now what happened, friends? KH is equal to C square H square by C is common, 1 minus H is present in there. Now C is cancelled. Now KH is equal to CH square by 1 minus H is present in there. Friends, one more point, 1 minus in according to degree of hydrolysis is similar to the degree of dissociation. Now 1 minus H is nearly, friends, 1 minus H is nearly equal to the 1, Now this value is 1. Now KH is equal to CH square is present in there. Now what is H? H is equal to root over KH by C. Friends, what is H value is the, H value is the root over KH by C is present in there. This is the H and this is the KH is equal to KW by KB. This is clear, friends. Now we have to calculate the H plus ion concentration, friends. Now we have to calculate the H plus ion concentration. Friends, this is the H plus ion concentration of this reaction is H plus is equal to concentration is CH. Okay, friends. Now H plus ion concentration is equal to C into what is H, friends? H is equal to root over KH by C. Okay, friends. H is equal to root over KH by C. Now H plus equal to C into what is, friends? KH is equal to KW by KB. Okay, friends. KH is equal to what, friends? KW by KB into C. Now these, friends, this is the H plus. Now H plus is equal to, this is clear, friends, this is arise. Friends, finally H plus ion concentration equal to what happened, friends? Root over KW into C by KB is present in there. Now this C is in this root over, what happened there? This is C square. Now one C is cancelled. What happened? Root over KW into C by KB is present. This is the concentration of H plus ion. This is the concentration of H plus ions is equal to root over KW into C by KB is present in. This is the concept of the salt hydrolysis of weak base and strong acid. Okay, friends, weak base and strong acid. This is clear, friends. This is arise. Next one more concept is the weak acid and weak base. Friends, weak acid and weak base. Friends, weak acid and weak base gives salt. Now weak acid example is the, friends, weak acid example is the SCN plus weak base example is the, friends, weak base example is the NH4 OH gives NH4CN. This is the salt is present in there, friends. This is the salt is present in there. This NH4CN is react with water. What happened, friends? NH4 OH plus SCN is present in there. NH4OH plus SCN is present in there. Friends, weak acid plus weak base is the, it shows hydrolysis. Because of the NH4 plus is reacted with OH minus to form NH4OH and CN is reacted with H plus to form SCN. This is the, it shows hydrolysis, friends. Weak acid plus weak base is shows hydrolysis. This is clear, friends. Now what is the acidic or basic solution of this concept is the depends upon the Ka and Kb values. This is the reaction. What is the ionage, what is the hydrolysis constant of this reaction? Hydrolysis constant of this reaction KH is equal to, friends, hydrolysis constant of this reaction KH is equal to concentration of NH4OH into concentration of SCN by concentration of NH4. Friends, this is the NH4CN is salt. Now that what is the ions are present in there? These ions are present in this reaction is the, friends, ions are present in the, this reaction is the NH4 plus Cn minus. Okay, friends, NH4 plus Cn minus ions are present in the this salt. This ions is reacted to the water. What happens, friend? NH4OH plus SCN is present in there. Now this is the NH4 plus and Cn minus. Okay, friends, this is the KH. Now this is the KH. Now KH into Ka into Kb equal is Kw is present in there. Now this is verify, this is verify. Now what is the, this is verified friends, what is the Ka friends? Ka is equal to weak component is present in SCN. Now SCN is the friends, SCN is weak component. This is the H plus Cn minus is present in there. Now Ka is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of Cn minus by concentration of SCN. This is the weak component of the SCN, and Kb is equal to Kb. What happened friends? Kb is the NH4OH. NH4OH is a weak base. It's dissociated to the NH4 plus OH minus. What is Kb? Kb is equal to concentration of NH4 plus into concentration of OH minus by concentration of NH4 OH. Now this is verified to the, this equation is present in there. What is friends? KH into Ka into Kb. Now what these three are multiplied, what is cancelled friend? Concentration of NH4OH and concentration of NH4OH is cancelled, and concentration of SCN and concentration of SCN is cancelled, and concentration of NH4 plus and concentration of NH4 plus is cancelled, and concentration of Cn minus and concentration of Cn minus is cancelled. Now what is present in there? In this H plus, concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus is present in there. Concentration of H plus into concentration of OH is called as Kw. Now KH into Ka into Kb is equal to Kw is present in there. Now this is the present in this equation. Now we have to, this equation initially friends, initially this concentration is C and C is present in there. Now one more, this is the exception friends, exception point is present in there. This is the weak electrolyte friends, it is cannot dissociated 100%. Now it is cannot dissociated 100%. Now I am represented to the, this concentration is C and C is present in there. Now initially this is 0 and 0. Friends, at equilibrium friends, at equilibrium is the, this is the C minus CH moles is dissociated. Now this is the CH and CH is present in there. Friends, this is the C minus CH is the degree of hydrolysis. This is C minus CH and this is C minus CH. Now this is CH and CH is present in there. Now we have to calculate the KH. Friends, KH is equal to what happened friends? KH is equal to CH into CH by NH4 plus into Cn minus. NH4 is the C minus CH and this is C minus CH. Now KH is equal to what happened friends? C square H square by, this is the C and C is cancelled. Now what happened friends? C and C is common, C square into 1 minus H whole square is present in there. This C square is cancelled. KH is equal to H square by 1 minus H whole square. And friends, 1 minus H is nearly equal to the 1. Now what happened friends? In this, what happened friends? KH is equal to friends, KH is equal to H square is present in there. Now H is equal to root over KH is the present in this equation. Friends, this is the weak acid plus strong base is the degree of hydrolysis is equal to the root over KH. Now we have to calculate the H plus ion concentration of this weak acid plus weak base. Friends, this is the Ka is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of Cn minus by concentration of SCN. Now this reaction what happened friends? This reaction what happened friends? H plus ion concentration is equal to the Ka into concentration of SCN by concentration of Cn minus. In this reaction what happened friends? Concentration of H plus is equal to Ka into concentration of SCN by concentration of Cn minus. Friends, this is the concentration of H plus is equal to what happened friends? Ka into concentration of SCN by concentration of Cn minus. Friends, at equilibrium this concentration of SCN at equilibrium what happened friends? CH. And concentration of Cn minus at equilibrium what happened friends? C minus CH. Okay friends, now H plus equal to friends, H plus is equal to Ka into this CH by C is common, 1 minus H is present in there. Now this C and C is cancelled. What friends? Okay friends, this C and C is cancelled. Now 1 minus H is nearly equal to the 1. Now what happened friends? H plus is equal to Ka into H is present in there friends. What is present in friends? Ka H plus is equal to Ka into H is present in there my friends. H, what is H friends? H is the root over Kh. For what is friends? H is the root over Kh. Now H plus equal to Ka into friends, what is Kh? Kh is the, in this reaction, in this equation what happened friends? Kh is equal to friends, Kh is equal to Kw by Ka into Kb. This value is substituted in this Kh value. What happened friends? Kw by Ka into Kb is present in there. Now this is arise. Okay friends, this is arise. Finally what happened friends? H plus equal to what happened? Kw into Ka by Kb is present in there. This is the finally H plus ion concentration of the weak acid plus weak base is the root over Kw into Ka by Kb. This is the concept of the salt hydrolysis of weak acid and weak base and weak base and strong acids. Okay friends, this is clear friends. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.